Thank God it's Friday and we've got to just relax and enjoy the weekend. Now moving on. This weekend the BB Titans show is finally closing the curtains. As we all be knowing who will be crowned winner and go home with $100,000. This year we are having 6 finalists and they are Ibubu, Kanaga Jr., Yvonne and 3 South Africans, Kosi, Ipeleng and Tatsi. Recall that the 20 housemates who went into the show consisted of 10 Nigerians: Yvonne, Kanaga Jr., Jenny O, Ebubu, Marvin, JP, Nana, Blackboy, Olivia, Yemi Craigs, and 10 South Africans: Tatsi, Luke, Yaya, Justin, Tabang, Ipeleng, Melly, Nelisa, GCJ, and Kosi. They were the first to be introduced into the show on Sunday. A few days later, the show coordinator Piggy, during the Thursday night pool party, introduced 4 more housemates: Blue Ivor, Theotro, Sandra, and Miracle OP, making it a total of 24. Anyway, anyone that wins should share money with us the fans. Moving on, Davido has finally released his long-awaited album Timeless, and over 50 million listeners have listened so far. Another Kasala bursts as Wizkid on his official Twitter handle told his fans to listen to Davido's Timeless and even called him brother. Well, I think it's time for Wizkid FC and 30BG to come together and close their long-time beef. In other news, popular dancer Cora Obidi has just acquired a multi-millionaire house in the United States. She shared a video where she was signing the documents of the mansion. Moving on, Nollywood actor Yul Edochie lost his first son to the cold hands of death this week. We pray to God to be with the family during this trying phase. Also, Ghanaian TikToker Aofe is dead. It was allegedly said it was due to overuse of a certain drug. Well, that'll be all for this week. Do ensure to watch our previous videos and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more exciting news on the go.